Back, Team 31. So we are starting online class again. Hopefully you picked up your packet from the school because it has the schedule laid out for what we're doing every day. And it also has the schedule laid out for Wonder, the book that we are going to start reading. You should have received the book that was very generously donated by people that believe in you and your education, even during this time that we're not physically in the school. I shipped the books out last week. If for some reason you did not get your book, please let me know on Google Classroom so that I can figure out what happened and get it sent to you. So I'm making this video because I'm going to go over the schedule for today. I'm actually going to do a video every single day so that we can go through the schedule and hopefully we don't have as many questions about what to do. So please make sure you're watching the videos daily, okay? So number one, you're going to check in on Google Classroom by doing the Flipgrid. So you need to be doing this. If you do not do the Flipgrid, then you do not have a grade for speaking and listening. It's going to be just like morning meeting. I'm going to give a question. You're going to answer that question. So today's question is actually, what is your favorite snack and why is that your favorite snack? During this time of being in quarantine, I'm sure you've been eating a lot of fun snacks that you are usually told maybe you can't eat, or snacks that you always have loved to eat. So let me know what your favorite one is and why it's your favorite. When you're done with your Flipgrid, you're going to go on to Freckle. You're going to go here and you're going to have four assignments on Freckle. One word study, one multiplication practice, and then you're going to be reading about Malala. You're going to do the reading part and answer the questions, and then you're going to do the writing part, okay? When you're done with Freckle, then you're going to go to Khan Academy. When you go to Khan Academy, you're going to watch the video first so that you understand how to do the exercises. If you're doing the exercises but not watching the video because you think you know how to do it and you get a 0, that's just like not having done it. So make sure that you're watching the videos, and if you're not understanding, message me on Google Classroom. We can Zoom, I can make a video, whatever you need. Okay, after Khan Academy, you are going to go back to Google Classroom. There will be a link for the vocabulary science lesson. It's very easy. It'll be on reforestation. You're going to have a video that you're going to watch, just like the videos that we watch in class. And right after you watch that, you'll have a quiz on the video, and that's it. That's all the assignments you have to do today. Wonder will actually not start until tomorrow. We're going to actually read the first couple of chapters on Zoom together. And then after we read the first couple of chapters on Zoom, you'll go to Google Classroom and do the questions. So that won't be until tomorrow. So I'm actually going to take the novel study off because we don't have that tomorrow. You do have a packet. The packet is not a big deal to me, but if you need extra help or if your parents are asking you to do some extra work, then you should be doing 1 page of the language arts packet. And for the math problems, only about 1 problem a day. So not 1 page a day, only 1 problem a day, okay? Let's see what else I have. And then to get some extra points from me, if you do the at least 3 articles on read theory, and then if I see that you logged into Prodigy for at least 15 minutes a day, then you'll get some extra points from me. So if you need any help, please let me know. I'll be on Zoom tomorrow around 12. It's not mandatory, but it's just for anybody that might need some extra help on any of these assignments, okay? Or if you need me to reset an assignment because you saw that you got a not so good grade on it. So I look forward to seeing you all tomorrow. I miss you, and hope that you are all healthy and doing well, and that your families are healthy and doing well. See you on Google Classroom.